You're using Character.AI completely wrong, and I'm about to show you the advanced conversation techniques that 99% of users have never discovered. These methods will transform your AI interactions from basic chat into sophisticated, multi-layered conversations that feel incredibly human. Most people open Character.AI, type a simple message, and wonder why their conversations feel flat and repetitive. They're missing the revolutionary features that Character.AI rolled out in their major 2026 updates. The problem isn't the AI, it's how you're communicating with it. Let me show you the game-changing approach that advanced users swear by. First, we're setting up conversation contexts using the new Context Builder feature. Click on the three-dot menu next to any character's name. You'll see the Context Builder option. This is where the magic happens. Instead of starting cold conversations, you're going to establish rich background scenarios that give your AI character detailed memory and personality depth. In the Context Builder interface, you'll notice three sections: relationship history, current scenario, and personality modifiers. Fill out the relationship history section with specific details about your previous interactions with this character. The AI uses this information to maintain consistency across all your conversations. Type something like, "We've been friends for 2 years, met at college, and often discuss philosophy and technology." Next, define your current scenario in detail. This isn't just about location, it's about emotional context, recent events, and the mood you want to establish. The more specific you get, the more natural your conversations become. Instead of generic settings, create dynamic situations that give your character something to react to. The third step involves mastering the new multi-thread conversation system. Look for the Branch Conversation button in your chat interface. This feature lets you explore multiple conversation paths simultaneously without losing any context. Click the Branch Conversation icon, and you'll see options to create alternative response threads. If you're finding this valuable, hit that subscribe button. We post tech tutorials daily, helping you master the latest tech innovations. Now here's where it gets really powerful: the advanced personality weighting system. In your character settings, you'll find sliders for different personality traits, but the new 2026 update added dynamic personality responses. Toggle on the dynamic response mode, and your character will adjust their personality based on the conversation flow and emotional context you've established. The fifth technique involves using conversation memory anchors. These are specific reference points you establish during conversations that the AI remembers and references later. When you want to create a memory anchor, use the asterisk notation around important details. Type something like, "Remember when we talked about artificial consciousness," and the AI will bookmark this reference for future conversations. Step 6 is mastering the emotional resonance settings. Click on the character's avatar during any conversation to access the emotional state panel. Here you can adjust how the character processes and responds to emotional cues in your messages. The empathy slider, humor responsiveness, and intellectual engagement levels completely change how your character interprets your communication style. The seventh advanced technique uses conversation roleplay templates. Access these through the Templates button in your chat interface. Instead of explaining roleplay scenarios repeatedly, these templates instantly establish complex relationship dynamics, professional scenarios, or creative storytelling frameworks. Select the Professional Mentor template, Creative Collaborator, or Philosophical Debate Partner to instantly transform your conversation style. The eighth and most powerful technique involves conversational layering. This means weaving multiple conversation topics and emotional threads simultaneously, just like real human conversations. Instead of linear question and answer patterns, introduce tangential thoughts, emotional reactions, and personal connections that mirror natural human communication patterns. Let me share the pro tips that separate advanced users from beginners. First, use the conversation pacing controls to vary response timing. Click the settings gear in your chat window and adjust the response delay slider. Slower responses create more thoughtful, contemplative conversations, while faster responses generate dynamic, energetic exchanges. The second pro tip involves custom personality prompts. In the Advanced Settings menu, you'll find the Custom Prompt Builder. Here you can create detailed personality instructions that go far beyond the standard character descriptions. Write specific behavioral patterns, communication preferences, and unique quirks that make your character truly distinctive. Third pro tip: leverage the Conversation Analytics dashboard to understand your interaction patterns. This feature shows you conversation flow maps, emotional progression charts, and topic diversity metrics. Use this data to identify when your conversations become repetitive and actively diversify your communication approaches. The final pro tip is using multi-character conversations. The group chat feature lets you create conversations with multiple AI characters simultaneously. Set up scenarios where different characters have conflicting viewpoints, complementary expertise, or complex relationship dynamics. This creates incredibly rich, multifaceted conversations that feel surprisingly realistic. Remember, advanced Character.AI conversations aren't about tricking the system, they're about understanding how sophisticated AI communication works and leveraging these tools to create meaningful, engaging interactions. These techniques work because they align with how advanced language models process context, maintain consistency, and generate human-like responses. The difference between basic users and advanced users isn't technical knowledge, it's understanding that great AI conversations require the same skills as great human conversations: context, emotional intelligence, active listening, and genuine curiosity about the interaction process. These advanced conversation techniques will completely transform your Character.AI experience, helping you navigate your tech journey with confidence. Make sure to subscribe for more cutting-edge tutorials that unlock the hidden potential in your favorite tech tools.